Hello, this is Jim from TechBuzz. Today I'm going to give you a quick unboxing and first look at the EOZ Air or EOZ Air True Wireless Earbuds with a truly wireless audio experience. And we've got 8mm graphene coated drivers, up to 90 hours of playtime, which is quite good, and Bluetooth 5.0. So on the back it will give us some more information about the contents. So let's take a look at that. So we have got 3 pairs of silicone ear tips and 2 pairs of memory foam ear tips. So I'm hoping they're company foam. We have got a 2200 mAh charging case, around the neck leather leash, so you can put these around your neck if you like as well, which is pretty cool. You've got a membership card, USB Type C, which is excellent, and of course the EOZ Air earphones themselves. So we've got 8mm graphene coated driver, which will give you premium audio experience and sound for calls, up to 5.5 hours of music and talk time, and the case will give you an additional charge of over 85 hours, which is excellent. You can take the buds out of the case, put them in your ears, they connect automatically and to your favourite device. No hustle, no worries, tested in all of words and patented antenna design, and provides a secured and solid connection. Unique around the ear true wireless design gives you a secure fit, and each bud comes with its own microphone for superior sound quality. So looking good. So when we open up the box, we are presented with the following, and you can see their social channels down here, and you get a quick force pairing guide here, and which we presume will be pretty similar to most of the same that's out there today. You get the box here, and you get the accessories down here. So we will pop out the accessories first. And in here we get the following. We get the user guide here. We get our leash for around the neck, which is handy if you're one of those that like to carry them around your neck. You get your USB Type C cable, which is excellent. You get your extra tips. You get your soft tips here. And you get your membership card. Pretty cool. So we'll take out the box itself, and it is like this. It's metal. The branding up on front, how to open it here, and on the back of the latch. And here we have got the USB Type C. Underneath there we've got some rubber feet to keep it still. So if we open it up here, as you can see, you have got the power coming on straight away, and you have some LEDs on the case itself and on the actual earbuds, which is pretty excellent. And they are easy to take out, as you can see, and you can see the charging point there, and they come out nice and easily, and they're quite light indeed, which is excellent. So this is what they look like here. Nice build quality. You've got soft tips on them there as is, and we have got a nice build quality. We've got metal here, seems like, anyway, and again this around the ear holder here, which looks pretty good. And you can see that the LEDs are on both of them there, and you have your touch controls on the outside. So pretty simplistic and pretty plain, yet stealth looking. We will test them out and let you know what they hear like. In the meantime, if you have any questions, hit me up, and stay tuned for a full review on techbuzzorange.com. And you can also follow them on the following there at EOZ Audio or EOZ Audio, whichever way you want to pronounce it. They're on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. And that's pretty much it for now. And the other good thing is here is they're easy to pop back in and take out of the case. You have room underneath here to pick them up, and the case quality is also excellent, which is pretty cool. And the extra power life this is going to give you is absolutely fantastic, up to 90 hours in total. So that's it for now. hit us up on technicalstory.com if you have any questions in the meantime, while we do our full review and test for sound and so on. See you in the next one. Hello, and it's Jim back with our full review of the EOZ Air, and these are, in short, excellent and superb value for money. And we're going to talk about it now. So first of all, I'm going to tell you the things I like. So we've got USB-C, which is excellent. You have got Comply foam tips, which is a winner for everybody, as the Comply foam tips are the best in the business, and they have a really snug tight fit, and with the wings on these as well, they will not fall out. You could do somersaults in these, they ain't moving from your ears, and that's something that people need, and that's 100% guaranteed here with these. The fit is absolutely brilliant. And connectivity, you've got Bluetooth 5.0, so you've got instant pairing. So in short, what that means is before you even put these in your ears and your phone is on, you will be paired up and connected and ready to go, which is a bonus. So again, very good. To use them, again, is pretty simple. And as you can see, you've touch sensitive areas here on top. So you've play and pause with a single tap on either bud. You can skip songs with 2 taps on the right bud, and you can reverse tracks then with 2 taps on the left. So it's pretty simple and pretty much the standard nowadays. And hanging up, with answering a call, a single tap on either bud. Hanging up is a single tap on either bud, and reject a call is a 2-second long press on either bud. And to activate your assistant, you will give it 3 taps on either of the buds. So once these are out of the box, they will connect to your phone, and it's pretty simple how it works, and basically simple to use. So your touch sensitive areas are here, and as I said, they'll connect to your phone straight away. So you will see on your Bluetooth settings there, if I can just get it up on the phone, the EOZ Air, and that's pretty much it. So other features that need to be mentioned here is, will these work on their own? And the answer is no. And you need, what I mean is by that, it will take calls on both sides, which is good. Some earbuds only take on one, but playing music, you have to have the left one in. So you can take the right one out and put it back in the box, and it'll still play. But if you do it the opposite way around, it's going to turn off. So a small thing to think about there. Nothing really big or major on that front anyway. Battery life, excellent. You're going to get around 4 to 5 hours of one charge, which is a bit on the low side, but having said that, you get another 15 charges out of the box because you've got up to 90 hours. So that's a small oversight there, and it's nothing to be kind of worried about either, because of the longevity of time you're getting out of one charge from the box is excellent, and it's one of the highest that's out there today when it comes to charging your earbuds. So 90 hours from one full charge of this, which is quite amazing. These are IP68 rated as well, which is pretty cool. And you get this little strap here, so if you don't want to be putting them in and out of the box all day long, you just hook them up onto this, and you can have them hanging around your neck, which is cool. And a lot of people will actually do that, but the main factors here is the comfort and the fit, and the sound is excellent on this. Pretty good. Phone calls are great. Sound from all genres and sound stages are excellent. Very clear. Quite surprised by how good these were for the price they're at, and that's the most important thing. And if you like bass, there's good bass on these as well. So overall, I was very impressed. So the best features you could say is the comfort and the sound. But overall, it's the premium quality build you're getting here for the package and what you're paying. You're going to pay around 140 quid for these. They're made of metal or aluminium. You've got this really cool box as well, and it's not cheap. It's just quality materials all the way throughout here, and you're getting USB-C, which a lot of manufacturers need to catch up on in this game here, so that's great to see. And basically overall you can't really complain. So just a few minor things there. As I said, you can take calls on these but and they work in both ears, but you can't use them individually around, only for the left one. So if you were to take it out though and leave it here, say, it'll still work, but once it goes into the box it goes off, so you can't use one on their own in one instance, but you can in the other. So that means you have to have the left one in if you just want to use the one and not the right. So overall, what do I think? Excellent, super value for money. They look great, real stealthy, really quality materials throughout, including the case. You've up to 90 hours of playtime. As I said, you're going to get 4 to 5 hours in one charge, which isn't bad, so that'll do most people for a commute to work, in and out. And really, you can't go wrong for the price. And they come in different colours as well, and they've nice colours too. And I think the black one just looks really stealthy, and it's not, you know, they don't stick out like some of them do. And as I said, the comfort level here is excellent, and you've got the compli phone tips as well. So that's the EOZ Air. And any more questions, hit me up. Stay tuned for more reviews coming soon, and check these out. I can highly recommend them. From testing of some 15 or 20 different in-earbuds through wireless like this now, these are certainly up there at the top level. See you in the next one.